Garden Villa 4 is located in the Sandxels Resort and features a very affordable fully self-contained top-floor apartment close to all amenities. 1 bedroom with king bed and ensuite. Open plan lounge and dining area with TV, DVD. Full kitchen and air conditioning. Patio with outdoor setting and BBQ. Linen provided. Resort features on-site restaurant. Resort pool and easy pathway stroll 100 meters onto the beach. 500 meters stroll to the main shopping area. Rates: $500 per week close season. School holidays $700. Peak $900. Less night stays available.